India, Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, the historic land boundary agreement of 1974 and its protocol of 2011 have been ratified by both Bangladesh and India. May I now call upon the Foreign Secretary of Bangladesh, His Excellency Mr. Shohidul Haq, and the Foreign Secretary of India, His Excellency Dr. S. Jaishankar, to sign the protocol for exchange of instruments of ratification. Distinguished guests, the two foreign secretaries will now exchange the protocol signed just now. And also the original instruments of ratification signed by respectively Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh and the Honorable President of India will be exchanged now. Ladies and gentlemen, the two foreign secretaries will now exchange the letters on modalities for implementation of Land Boundary Agreement of 1974 and the Protocol of 2011. Thank you, Excellencies. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Prime Ministers of Bangladesh and India will now proceed for the bilateral talks. The ceremony will begin to this venue after the talks. Thank you all.